it's Shannon. Welcome back to my channel. I know I have so many new subscribers this year, and so today's a little bit different of a video. I've decided to snuggle up on a blanket next to the Christmas tree with my hot coffee, and I have my slippers on down here, just getting cozy so I can sit back and relax and reflect on 2019. Now, I've done this for several years in a row where I have shared with you my top 10 DIY tutorials from the year. So I'll put a couple of those videos down in the description box if you want to go back and see previous years. But for 2019, we had so many big, amazing things happen. I really wanted to take a second and just look back on a few of those exciting things. So the biggest thing that happened right at the beginning of 2019 was my channel reaching 100,000 subscribers. That really was not even a dream come true because I'm not sure I ever really dreamed that would actually happen. But when it did, it was sort of very grounding, and I kind of had to take a step back, look around, and really see what this channel has become. So every single one of you has really meant so much to me and my channel, and we have grown so much up throughout this year and 2019 that we've almost doubled that already. So that shows me that you guys enjoy what I do, and you're so wonderful, and you've been sharing my projects with your friends and family, and I can't thank you enough. That is the best gift that you can give me. Now, moving on to the summer, we actually were keeping a pretty big secret from you guys for quite a while, and we finally shared that we were going to be building a new construction on our property and creating a she shed, as I've been calling it, for my new studio. So we had broke ground in 2018, but we finally started building the she shed the month of May in 2019, and I've been bringing you guys along with us every step of the way. If you aren't quite sure what I'm talking about, make sure to check the playlist that I'll link down below. We're finally jumping back into hopefully completing that, so that's a big project to finish for 2020. And speaking of the year 2020, that is just around the corner, and I have another video coming up for you guys because we have some really exciting things that we need to share with you, and so it all needed just a video all by itself. So make sure that you hit that bell so you get notified when that video goes live, because you definitely don't want to miss that. Now let's go ahead and jump right into the top 10 most viewed DIY tutorials from 2019. Buffalo check was definitely the print of the year, so it was no surprise that this fall buffalo check DIY Dollar Tree style video came in at number 10. Not only were these great Easter DIYs, but this was also a collab with one of my favorite DIYers, J Money DIY, and this one came in at number 9. Ray Dunn inspired decor was another top trend for 2019. This video came in at number 8, and you can still find these decals in my Etsy shop, which is crossmyheart.com. The 7th most viewed video of 2019 is this farmhouse decor, where I took Hobby Lobby items that I found at 75% off and gave them new life. Dollar Tree dupes were another favorite of 2019. This Pier 1 inspired planter I used Dollar Tree items to recreate. This one came in at number 6. Now moving on to the top 5 videos of 2019. This was a new endeavor for me, using Walmart supplies to create DIYs farmhouse style. This one had 3 different items in it that I recreated, and it seemed to be a favorite. So hopefully this is something new that I will continue to do in 2020. The top 4th video of 2019 was our spring porch tour, which I was so excited to see, as we had just refinished the entire porch and put a lot of love and effort and time into updating it. So this was a fun video where I was finally able to add the accessories for spring, and it really just made this whole porch makeover come to life. Gnomes were another huge trend in 2019. This DIY was created using a mop from the Dollar Tree, and I've seen these gnomes now recreated in so many different ways, so I was excited to see that this was a big video and inspired so many others. The second most viewed video of this year was this Dollar Tree Fall Decor DIY bundle. So this planter here was an idea that I had had in my head for so long, and their fall decor came out and I was finally able to create it. There was also a couple other great DIYs in this video as well, including the tall fall sign that I think really is what grabbed you all's attention. And now moving on to the most viewed DIY video of 2019. It was this snowflake Dollar Tree wreath DIY. And the funny thing is I had this idea last winter, so 2018, and I just never got around to creating it. And all of the Christmas trees I had on hand last winter to make this, so I used them this year, and obviously this was a very well received video as it has nearly 400,000 views. Make sure to check the description box below where I'll have links to all of these top 10 DIY tutorials. This really has been an incredible year, and I want to thank every single person who has subscribed, who has shared my channel, who has shared their projects with me. I enjoy every single bit of it. And 2020 is stacking up to be a pretty amazing year already, and I can't wait to bring you guys along with me. If you didn't see your favorite tutorial pop up in this video, let me know down in the comments below which one of this entire year's videos was your favorite. And also let me know what are the things that you're going to be looking forward to seeing on my channel for 2020. I hope everyone has a very happy new year. If you haven't already, please subscribe. As I said, we have lots more planned and so much more amazing things to come. And if you haven't found me on Facebook or Instagram yet, I'll link those down below where you'll find more inspiration. Thanks so much again, and I will see you in my next video. Bye everyone.